you guys have really made some enhancements over the last few months that are very promising, man. And I'm excited to be working with some Chime clients, hopefully. And I mean, obviously, with the tech that you guys have, we are the marketers, we are the executors that utilize the tech on our clients' behalf. So we are never going to be building our own proprietary solutions. We understand that we're here to become an extension to our clients' team and to really maximize what they've invested in. So we understand where we're best served and utilized. It's just doing these custom elements on top of the best tools in the industry. So yeah.
What you're getting from Chime is technological capital. What you're getting with Dippity is the marketing intellectual capital that when you put them together, it yields massive results, right? And I don't think anyone would argue to the contrary. So love what Mary Ellen said here. Thanks, guys, for sharing. Now it's time to dominate. If anyone, at the very beginning, I said you'll walk away from this webinar with actionable steps that you can take to implement in your business. Is there anyone who disagrees with me and thinks that they did not get anything that they can take away from this webinar? If you think that, please put it in the chat, and Tyler and I will figure out how to make it up to you.